Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so here we have this open top box and we know its volume, and our goal is to find the surface area as a function of a side length. So we know that the base is a square, so we could label the base with side length A, and we don't know the height of the box, so we can just call it H. Now, we do know the volume is 2, so we know volume is length times width times height, so that would be A times H. A squared times H is 2. So perhaps we'll end up using that relationship as we go. Our goal is to find the surface area, and because there's no top, we have only 5 surfaces. We have the base, which is A times A, and we have 4 of these sides, which are A times H. So the surface area, which I'm going to call capital, I'll call it S, since we're already using an A for something else. Surface area is S, is going to be the sum of these areas. So A squared for the area of the base plus 4 times A times H for the 4 sides. Now we need this to be a function of just the side, not the side and the height. So here's where that other equation comes into play. Let's take that other equation we got from volume and isolate H. We get H equals 2 over A squared, and we can substitute that into the equation we're working with to get rid of the H. So now we have S equals A squared plus 4A times 2 over A squared. Now that's going to need a little bit of simplifying. So here's that formula again, and we want to simplify it. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the 4A by the 2 over A squared, and that gives us 8 over A. That should be a plus. Okay, now this would be perfectly fine. However, if you want to keep simplifying and get a common denominator, you can multiply the first term by A over A, and we have A cubed over A plus 8 over A, and that gives us A cubed plus 8 over A. I don't feel strongly that that's necessary. I would be happy to leave it like this, but these are equivalent. All right, what about the domain? So what could A be? A represented the length of a side, and so it has to be positive. Other than that, we don't know of any restrictions on it.